Daffodil International University. This video highlight for SET. Actually, we know SET means skill and strength, education and performance, and achievement and teamwork. First of all, if I talk about my skill, I have decision making skill, I have technological skill, I have innovation skill, I have problem solving skill, I have creativity skill, I have time management skill, I have networking skill, and I have better communication skill. Then if I talk about my achievement, I am head of event management of a Social for Young Business Leadership Club and treasurer at DIU Business and Education Club, joint secretary at Accounting Club, and professional photographer of Finance Club. Then if I talk about my education and performance, I have completed my SSC from Sharifabad High School and College and SHC from Dhaka Commerce College, and now I am studying BA at Daffodil International University. Then if I talk about my performance, actually Daffodil International University organized many program and activities and cultural activities. I gathered many experience, and I organized there as a volunteer, as a teamwork. I gathered many experience. Recently, DIU organized DIU Olympiad, DIU Business Leadership, and Microsoft Excel seminar, and many other activities I gather and obtain many experience. Then if I talk about my teamwork, I work as a team member or protocol member and organize many other activities in definitely international activities, club and cultural program, and any other program I attend there, and